Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking turkey wings in the Instant Pot. So what we need is turkey wings, 1 cup of water for pressure cooking, and seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. So first I'm going to open the lid of the Instant Pot and add 1 cup of water to the Instant Pot. And now I'm going to season the turkey wings. So just sprinkle on the seasonings and use more seasoning than you normally would, because when you pressure cook, a lot of seasonings ends up directly in the water. So just season it with a lot of spice. And now rub the seasoning so distribute it evenly. And now flip the wings over and season the other side. So again, I'll rub in the seasonings. So now let's put the turkey wings in the Instant Pot. And let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 20 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked turkey wings. Now let me take out the turkey wings from the Instant Pot. Perfect. Look at these perfectly cooked turkey wings in the Instant Pot. They look amazing. And it just seems like the meat is falling off the bone. Just looks so tasty. And it was so easy to make them in the Instant Pot. It does all the work for you. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Just cut a piece. So it's fully cooked and it cuts so easily. So juicy, tender, and delicious. You're going to love cooking turkey wings in the Instant Pot. And if you'd like to crisp up the skin, you can always put it under a broiler for 5 minutes And if you don't care about crispy skin and they're totally ready, you will love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!